Today we are making two different kinds of coconut oils from the same coconuts, using natural fermentation process and heat process. We cut our coconuts into blendable pieces. Blend them. Add water, and juice them to get as much milk as possible. We left our mixture in the sun for most of the day. The next day fermentation was obvious, and it is at this point we collected the natural fermented oil, without heat or freezing. Here, you can see the natural fermented oil contains some sediments or cloudiness, and must be strained again and again or left for a while to settle in order to have water-like clear oil. The rest of the substance will be heated on a stove, while being constantly stirred and supervised. The goal here is to eliminate all of the water, leaving behind only coconut oil. This will be achieved once the curd goes through the stages of white, gray, brown and dark brown. The heat-processed oil should result with a tinge of yellow. Leave it to cool and then strain into a container for immediate use. Store at room temperature, and this guarantees the oil to be good for a long time, without going rancid. The natural fermentation processed oil should be stored the same way, but because there is a likeliness of it containing some percentage of water, it is not guaranteed to last as long as heat-processed coconut oil. Both oils, if manufactured as shown here, will contain even a small percentage of sediments, and is advised to be shaken before use. Virt-U coconut oil is a natural product with zero additives. The difference is clear.